how to add product on GlamAR to be tried on later with AI. So now doing that, let's first click on this add your first product, or you can also click on this add product option right here. And then for this case, you can choose if you want to upload a single product or a bulk product. For this case, let me head over and add a single product right here, and then you can put in here the product name as well as the images, barcodes, and then likes. So for example, let's upload in here a t-shirt, and also let's click on this click to upload. And once you have clicked on this right here, it will open this. So let's head over and add in here a t-shirt that we want to use. So I have in here a lot, so we can head over and then just choose the product that you want to add. So as you can see, it's been added. Now we can also enter in your barcode as well as the brand and as well as the category. So it can be some things like beauty, necklace, watch, and a lot more. So they actually support some specific things right here, like for example, ring, watch, and they don't support t-shirt. So let's head over and add in here another product. So I have uploaded here an eyeglasses, and then let's choose in here glasses for the category, and the subcategory will be 2D. So we have in here the 2D try on layers. You can put in here the font and put in here this, and you can also put in here the font glasses, let out, right, left, and also as well everything that you can see. So once you have tried that on, let's head over and click on the save details right here, and you can also choose in here try an experience if you want. You can choose in here a model that they have on this GlamAR. So we have in here this model, so you can try on this cases right here on this models that you have. So this will load in here the model, and it will add your product on this specific model that you have chosen. Now this will load first, but once you're done, you can click on the save details in order to save all your. So that's how you add product on GlamAR to be tried on later with AI. Hope it helped.